Hello!
Welcome back. We're back, y'all. And today's video is going to be a day in the life with the Krish family on our off day. No work.
I'm cutting an onion.
She is cutting an onion.
You know, during my off days, I usually don't tend to do a whole lot unless I go out with Alyssa.
And today, we actually don't have anything planned outside the house. So that means we don't gotta go nowhere. It's a good day. And today, we have planned an updated house tour because we really haven't given one on the channel. We actually have furniture now. And making enchiladas. Alyssa is already hard at work.
Hey!
She has started the enchiladas.
She has started the enchiladas. Onions.
It is the quick turkey enchiladas, but we didn't have any turkey, so we're using substitute ground beef. And this is from the Best Simple Recipes. You know, sometimes you just have to substitute. That's okay. Ground beef's always better. Sometimes you have to substitute sleep with doing dumb quests, like going to the dentist after an 8-hour shift at 11 a.m. and you got off at 6 and didn't get to sleep till 1 p.m. Anyways, cheese. All right, and since everything here is in Celsius,
We gotta put this baby to 205, which is about 400.
degrees Fahrenheit, give or take.
Here is the sweet. Hey, man. Say hi, sweet girl. She was a devil this morning and felt like...
Hands!
What?
I need hands!
All right, Alyssa is crying for help, so I gotta go. Oh, there's a freaking bug right there. It scared the crap out of me. Okay.
Ewan has a heater downstairs. And he's like, I need it on because it's going to be cold. And in the past 3 times he's had it on, it's tripped the power. And it has done so once again. So I am mashing this meat in the dark. Now he's going to go turn it back on. Dang! That's loud. Whoa! Hey! Power's back. Yep, got a little burnt in the dark.
For those of you that don't know, the voltage system here in Italy is a little bit different. You have 3 kilowatt and 6 kilowatt. You also have 4 kilowatt. Usually your house starts at 3 kilowatt and you can up it to 4 or 6 depending on your landlord and the power grid by you. It's very weird. But our house came with 3. It's very common for the power to go out if you use too many appliances. So as Alyssa was saying, my small little heater kind of trips the power even when like nothing is on. So yeah, we don't know what's up with that, but we're gonna up our wattage to 6 here pretty soon. We have a form that we need to print and fill out. Half a cup of enchilada sauce.
And then this, what you grab it with.
I don't think I went all the way around, did I? I guess I did.
Look, here, you try.
Oh guys, look at me, I'm fancy.
Where does it need to go into? Here?
No, I need half a cup. Right there.
Next up is 2 cups of cheese. Colby Jack.
2 cups of Formego.
Melted in.
All right, y'all, so what the problem we ran into is we needed this.
We need this of that.
And we have this.
A bag of shredded Monterey Jack, but there's just that.
Which the US commissary store didn't have, and neither did the Italian store. So we improvise again. All right. So this is what it looks like right now. Not putting that in there.
Okay, update after the cheese was added.
All right, y'all, step 3 is done. Step 3 is done. We put the meat inside tortillas, wrapped them up, threw them inside our pan. Now we're gonna go ahead and add the enchilada sauce. Teamwork.
Yay!
All right, enchiladas are in. Now it's time for the house tour.
Do you want the house tour?
All right, so as we enter the front door, you have this beautiful little stand that Alyssa found on Facebook. Oh, here she comes to explain. Okay.
Yeah, and it has a wobbly leg, but luckily Ewan put some cardboard down there, so it works just fine. Got Ewan's boots because May likes to bite the strings, so we found a spot she can't get. Converters, because you need a bajillion here. Books. Hats. Ewan didn't know I put his hats there, but they're here now.
I did not. The May food.
This is a leftover flan container.
Yeah.
She really likes it. She kicks it around like this.
Speaking of May, before we continue the tour,
This is the Boo Boys. Say hi, Padme. Oh, she's purring.
the dining room / kitchen. We have this table that I found off of Facebook for $200. To the right, as soon as you enter the door, we have our lovely coat rack that came with the house, a shoe rack that I did not understand how to open, but open, shoes go in here. It's pretty cool. Decorations. We have window 1. Pan to the left, we have this lamp, our printer, and more storage. Window.
Okay. My apron. I made this at Girls' Cousin Sleepover.
They don't know what that is.
Yeah. It's Girls' Cousin Sleepover. Pretty self-explanatory.
Oh my goodness.
Sleepover with my girl cousins.
Now we move past Miss Goofy Alyssa.
To the enchiladas.
Enchiladas / kitchen.
The oven's super small, by the way. I have this baking sheet that's over in the sink, but it doesn't even fit in there. So
We have our spice cabinet. Pictures above. Look at those cuties.
show her homecoming one. That's a throwback.
Throwback to Homecoming Us.
You know.
Then we have the stove, a toaster, our sugars and flour. Just a cute little area. We go on to, this is where all the main prepping goes for the meals. Because we don't have a lot of counter space. This is like the only counter space we have.
This is our organic.
Yeah, our
jar.
organic waste that we throw in here.
And you put it in the fridge so that it doesn't get all yucky out on your counter.
Mm-hmm.
It's a spaghetti jar.
Heck yeah, it is. So then we move on. Don't mind the mess. We're preparing for dinner. Above you have a selection of cabinets, and below, a section of cabinets plus the dishwasher. On our left-hand side, you have our main kind of pantry, even though it's... this is where we keep...
It is a pantry.
Yeah, this is our pantry, where we keep foods and lots of medical supplies. Moving to the left, we have our whiteboard, and below we have our trash cans. We have our waste, our paper and cardboard, plastic and metal, and glass. Left of there, we walk into the main pantry, where we have medical bags, to-go bags, cleaning supplies, and our fridge.
So, Mom, I did ruin the lid. But look at how good
Hey. Yeah, this thing's done for. I'm an idiot. Oh well. Had to interrupt the tour for that because that's quite devastating. Dang it.
All right, so we just, forgot to turn the mics back on, so I'm gonna do voiceover. So we have, Alyssa playing with the cat. Look at him, goobers. Oh, the little baby, rubbing the tummy. There's no thoughts behind those eyes. No thoughts behind those eyes. Oh, yeah, there's my wife. I point. Oh, there's the kitty. Yeah, that's our dining room table. Found that off of Facebook. I did a really good job. I also found the couch that you guys see in the background too. Facebook is great. The little plushie in the corner is May's best friend. And we got her when she was just a baby, even though she is just still a baby. Yeah, he's got a pumpkin too. All right, to the left, we have a little table. Ooh, yeah, look at that. I built that TV stand by hand. Yeah, go IKEA. Actually, it wasn't IKEA. Then with the TV too, I bought it from like the Best Buy here. It's expensive. It's probably the most expensive thing. I don't know why we're still looking at it. We're very excited for our Lily baby to come. Next up, we have the main hallway, which Alyssa is showing off. Cute decoration, decor.
This is the boys' bathroom.
Mm-hmm.
It's for stinky poops
That's crazy.
and May poops.
Yeah, May's litter box is in there.
Her poop smells really bad.
It does. It's horrible. Moving on.
Yeah. Boy bathroom. We're here. You want just hung this up? Thank you.
No problem.
This is the guest room. This is where we were sleeping before our shipment came. Got wardrobe. Blues.
Moving on.
Girls' bathroom. So cute. So fresh. So clean.
Plus the washer and dryer.
Yeah.
We move on to the main bedroom.
It's so cute.
So cute. Alyssa, do you want to explain?
Okay. Oh, the bed and the bed frame I found on Amazon. It was in our shipment. Same with the bedding. Then the side tables were from the thrift store. $5 for both of them.
Heck yeah.
Jewelry box mirror that opens, and then we just got some random decorations and stuff. I painted that. My grandma painted this, or drew that. Got this clothing rack just so that we have some stuff in here for when we have guests over, so we don't have to go into that bedroom to get dressed every day.
Mm-hmm.
Ewan found this TV. That's what we got, what we picked up, what I was talking about in the last video,
Mm-hmm.
and what you saw in the trunk actually.
The baby girl. Oh.
Tunnel I got for her. She loves that. Yeah, we have an air unit in here too. All the doors have stupid keys to actually lock them, so yeah, it's not really fun. But this is downstairs, so we gotta be super careful. May does not like it, but go down. And here's the basement.
So we come down and to the right away, we have our boiler and just kind of our storage area. There's nothing really pretty about this. We all need a storage area, and this is ours. We have a bunch of Christmas decorations I found off of Facebook from Alyssa and a Christmas tree. Very cheap, because this is our first home, so we didn't have any prior things.
And the boxes.
What about them?
I always save them all for when we're moving. That's what we were talking about.
Yeah. Okay.
This is my computer.
Alyssa's setup, which is still a work in progress.
but it's coming together. Her PC and stuff down there. Over here we have chairs just kind of set around because we had a party and we had friends over. Now we move over to my area and my computer. We have my setup, my home,
Your little gnome.
my little gnome, my patch wall, my Air Force, May May's other tree just in case she wants to spend time with Dad, which she doesn't like down here because it's very cold.
She's shaking.
Yes, but this door does go to the garage and then it opens up and you can drive upwards up onto the street.
You got 35.
35, dang. All right, y'all. Alyssa is currently watching Dancing with the Stars. For all of the viewers that like watching Dancing with the Stars, this is how she does it. She looks it up on YouTube because we don't have it. But yeah, Alyssa, have fun